Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm showing you how to add a price list widget to your page with the help of JetElements plugin for Elementor. The widget you will need is called Price List, and you drop it in a new section. And you start off with this layout, and in the Content tab you've got a number of items, and let's have a look at what every item has got inside. So you've got a title, which will be that. You can change it to whatever you want. Then here goes the price. Here you can set the currency sign and the price itself. Then there goes the description. As you see, you can also make it clickable if you add the URL. And you can add an image, like so. Let me go ahead and add 2 more images to these 2 items, just so I can show you more settings for more elements here in the price list. Alright, here we go. Now let's move on to the Style tab. So first off, in the Item tab, you can increase or decrease the space between items, add the border type, which will surround every item with a border. Then content vertical alignment. Now it is set to top, but you can change it to middle and bottom. Actually, I like it this way. I guess it looks better. Then you can also change the border width and the border color specifically for the first item and for the last item in your list. Then there goes the title, price, description, the separator, and the image. But what I want to do is to go to the settings of this section, like that, and I want to set a background for it. We can do that if we go to, first if we stretch this section, then if we go to the Style tab, and in the background type we will choose the image. Here it goes, and I also add the background overlay. Now let's get back to the Style tab and change the typography settings for the text elements on our list so they look nice on this background. And we can also set the alignment for the item title specifically. Then there goes the price. And you can change the price minimal width and set the background color for the price, like that. And we can also add the border and change the border radius, like that. Add a padding. And you can change also the vertical alignment for the price. Then there goes the description. If you find it to be way too distracting, you can make it smaller and increase the margin, like so, so they take up less space. Then there goes the separator. Let me change its color so you can see it better. So as you see, the separator goes from the title to the price, like so. And here change the width, the alignment, and you can change the separator type. And it has all these same types as the border has. If you don't want any separator to be visible in your price list, you simply set the separator width to 0. And if you want to add some space between the title and the separator, and between the separator and the price, you simply increase the margin on the right and on the left. Then there goes the image. What you can do is to add the border to your images, like that, and change the border radius. And add the box shadow. There's also the image offset. And the image width, what will change the size of the image. Okay, and here is your price list that you can create with the help of JetElements plugin for Elementor. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another tutorial.